Thinking of getting a dealer license but not sure if you should go retail or wholesale? Here's the truth. One makes you more money, the other gives you more freedom. But there's a huge catch most people miss. In this video, I'll break down the real pros and cons of both license types. Whether you're looking to flip cars, open a dealership, or just access dealer-only auctions, I've got you covered. And stick around. I'll show you exactly where to get your dealer bond and garage liability insurance without overpaying. First up, the retail motor vehicle dealer license. This is what you need to sell cars to the public. Pros: bigger profits. Markups of $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per car aren't uncommon. You can advertise, list on Facebook, CarGurus, AutoTrader, and bring in daily leads. You control the customer experience. Build your brand, offer financing, doc fees, and more. Cons: more costs. You'll need a retail lot, signage, insurance, utilities, more regulations, state inspections, consumer laws. It's more paperwork. Customer headaches, late payments, tire kickers, bad credit, you'll see it all. Now let's talk about the wholesale dealer license. This one's for people who want low overhead and no public sales. Pros: startup friendly. Some states allow you to work from a home office. Dealer-only auction access, Mannheim, Adisa, and more. No retail drama, no test drives, no walk-ins, no chargebacks. Cons: no public sales. You can't sell to friends, family, or the guy from Craigslist. Smaller margins. You're flipping to other dealers, not end users. Harder to scale limited unless you grow your dealer network. So, which one should you choose? Go retail. If you want to build a dealership or car lot, you want maximum control and bigger profits, you're ready to manage customers and operations, go wholesale. If you want low risk, low cost, you just want access to auctions, you're not ready to deal with public sales. Pro tip: start with wholesale, learn the game, then level up to retail when you're ready. Before you can apply for either license, you'll need a dealer surety bond, and if you're going retail, a garage liability insurance policy too. And the best place to get both? All-American bonds and insurance. Fast quotes, lowest prices, best customer service in the industry. Visit quickerbonds.com or just hit the link in the description or in our bio. You'll be bonded and insured in no time. Let me know in the comments, are you leaning wholesale or retail? I reply to every question. Smash that like button, subscribe for step-by-step license guides. Share this with someone who's trying to get in the car game. Let's get you licensed, profitable, and on the lot.